Drugs, Phekjangnai tablets, te heroin chamani muthangnai nahar mungo. Phashalo, Tripura State Legal Service Authorityni Chaitokmung by Phiyogwi Rwjakha, Mukti Mungwi Kaisa Project Katal. Pandano Chengsawi Rekha, Tripura High Court Chief Justice Operates Kumar Singh. Manjaka High Court Justice T. Omornath Gaur, Orindom Lut, Tripura Legal Service Authority Member Secretary, Data Mohan Jomatiano Khoboi Kubuno Zamarok, Abu Kaisa Joda Project Hanai Shaka, Tripura High Court Chief Justice Operates Kumar Singh.
Cater to the requirement of the people of Tripura. These objects are to create awareness among those members of the society, specifically the children, young students, women, elders, who either are getting victims of this drug menace or they are getting affected because some or the other family members are being drawn into the drug habit. This project intends to create widespread awareness amongst the people of Tripura in various ways with the help and cooperation of all stakeholders. I found out that there are only few de-addiction centers in the state of Tripura, but the challenge is so manifold that more and more de-addiction centers with qualified, experienced people in the field, from the psychiatric department, from the health doctors, and those who are life coaches, they can be associated with these de-addiction centers, which are easily accessible to the common persons, common people, and not too costly, so that those addicted people can be brought to these de-addiction centers and rehabilitated. Our legal services institutions in every state has a very wide network through district legal services authorities, sub-divisional legal services committees, and through our team of panel lawyers, and most importantly, our foot soldiers, as I call them, the paralegal volunteers. These paralegal volunteers are basically and primarily responsible for the success of any legal services projects or awareness campaigns or national Lok Adalat initiatives. So we intend to use the services of these legal services institutions and their network for carrying out this awareness program throughout the state. But I know that this challenge is not limited to the legal services institutions. It needs the cooperation, active cooperation of members of the society from all walks of society, and specifically the different departments of the state government and the district administration.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.